We've seen a nice gain on the Dow, but is it real?
Well, actually, today, for a change, even if you price the Dow in gold or euros, it's actually up on the day, which is very rare. But, I wouldn't get excited about it. I think the real opportunity here is to sell into it. I mean, that's what investors should be doing, is using any strength to sell. This is probably a short covering rally, judging by what's going on. But more importantly, when you sell your stocks, you get dollars. You've got to complete the transaction. You've got to take your dollars and sell those, too.
Minutes before the closing bell, it is a huge day for the bulls for both the Dow and the NASDAQ, Cheryl.
Big rally in tech. Let's go out to Gary. I want to ask you really quick. I was looking at this B of A thing this morning, the $3 billion in pre-tax charges. You still a little nervous about a day like this, Gary?
I'm nervous every minute of every day right now. I have to tell you, Eric said it best. I have been doing this for many years. Over the last couple of months, I have never seen such about faces, such mini crashes, and then V-shaped moves back to the upside. It is like the Hulk roller coaster over at Universal here in Orlando. It is basically teasing everybody's nerves right now. The big thing for me, if these companies, I believe 3 of them came out today and say everything's better, I think it was Goldman Sachs, Morgan Stanley, JP Morgan, if they pull a Merrill Lynch and come out in a week from now and say, whoops, we got another $5 billion, we're going to head right back south before you can say boo. That's going to be something to watch out for.
Charles, Gary's got the Maalox and the Prilosec cocktail going. What about you?
Oh, you
love this, right?
Are you kidding me? I love it. I keep telling people. I knew, you saw this all year long. Keep buying on weakness. Don't be shaken out of this market. I feel so bad for individual investors who keep getting spooked out in the market. The stocks, right now, in my opinion, are as cheap as they've been in almost 20 years.
All right, Pat?
Stay on your plan. If you don't have a plan, get one.
Peter Schiff.
Look, this is very dangerous to be in this market. There are a lot of problems. It's just getting started. People have to sell into strength and get out of the dollar. You can't just be in cash. This is a much bigger problem than that. The market's going a lot lower. The dollar's going lower. Just sell these rallies.
Eric.
I really, that record's getting old already. Yeah, the dollar's going down, but there's ways to make money. Look at good international footprinted companies and stay with them because the market's good. And as Charles said, it's cheap.
I'm not telling people not to invest outside the country. I do it all the time. Just stay out of U.S. stocks.